U.S. aircraft carriers have long been the backbone of American naval power, projecting strength and influence across the world's oceans. The question of whether U.S. aircraft carriers carry nuclear weapons. In the past, examples of U.S. nuclear-capable aircraft carriers included the Nimitz-class carriers. These carriers were designed and equipped to carry and launch aircraft armed with nuclear weapons, providing the U.S. with a flexible and mobile nuclear strike capability. However, the U.S. has since transitioned away from nuclear-capable carriers, emphasizing conventional capabilities and non-nuclear deterrence. Today, the presence of nuclear weapons on U.S. aircraft.
The Nimitz-class aircraft carriers are nuclear-powered aircraft carriers belonging to the United States Navy. The main ship in this class is named after the Commander-in-Chief of the United States Pacific Fleet during World War II, Admiral Chester W. Nimitz. The Nimitz-class ships are the largest warships built and operated until the USS Gerald R. Ford joined the fleet in 2017. The construction of these aircraft carriers cost approximately $8.5 billion, equivalent to $10.1 billion in 2021.